If you keep questioning yourself like, am I really able to start a YouTube channel? Do I have what it takes? Yes, you have what it takes. We all start from somewhere. Start with what you have. Start where you are. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so glad that you're watching. If this is your first time here, my name is Eva. Welcome to the family. I am so excited to have you here. If you are returning, thank you very much for staying with us, and thank you very much for the support. I do not take it for granted. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the 10 different strategies that I use to get my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and my first 4,000 hours watch time. So why are these two figures important? So for you to qualify for YouTube's monetization program, you need to have at least 4,000 hours watch time over a 365-day period or less, and at least 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. And basically, monetization means that you authorize YouTube to put advertisements on your videos so that every time your viewers watch the said videos, you get paid some money by YouTube. So the strategies that I'm going to share with you are those that worked for me and helped me to move towards my journey to monetization and to get my first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time on YouTube. So the number one strategy is posting videos that people are actually searching for on YouTube or on Google. So Google owns YouTube, so they're basically one and the same thing, and Google is the number one search engine on the planet, followed closely by YouTube. So what that means is that anytime you post videos on topics that people are already currently searching for, you increase your chances of ranking on the YouTube platform. So for example, unless you are somebody who's already well known, you are a celebrity or some media personality that people already know, if you're just a random somebody like Eva, it's very difficult to start getting viewers on YouTube if you are shooting videos on topics that no one is looking for. So for example, let's say I shoot a video about watching paint dry, or I shoot a video about my trip to the supermarket, for instance. So as somebody who's just starting out, I'm most likely to get viewers from maybe my family or my friends who know that I have a YouTube channel, but it will be very difficult to get organic viewers who do not have upfront information about my channel. And personally, I would go through Quora.com or Google Keyword Planner to find out the topics that people are actually already searching for. My most viewed video is not the best quality, but because it was answering a question that people were actually searching for, I was fortunate enough for that video to get so much watch time over that period. So that's what you want to look out for. What are some of those things that people are actually looking for? What are people actually searching for? And when you're writing your titles, the titles for your YouTube videos, you also want to make sure that you write them using words that people are actually searching for. So in my case, for instance, that particular video I'm talking about is the most frequently asked US visa interview questions. So when somebody is looking for the sample questions that they are likely to be asked and their answers, those are some of the keywords they are likely to look out for. So even as you post videos around topics that people are looking for, make sure that as you write your titles, you also write them and include keywords that somebody who's looking for that video is likely to type in. The number two strategy for getting your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 watch hours in a period of 365 days to lead to YouTube monetization is posting your videos consistently. So when you're just starting out, you want to get as much help as possible from the YouTube algorithm. And the YouTube algorithm is known to favor consistency on the platform, because how does YouTube make money? YouTube makes money through advertisement. So it favors those content creators that can keep people on the platform for as long as possible. So what you need to do when you're starting out, for instance, you have to be very consistent in posting your videos. Do not post a video today and then you keep quiet for like 2 months and then you post the next one. No, be consistent. If you choose to post your videos like 2 times a week, get the dates that maybe if you're posting on Tuesday and Thursday, whatever days that you choose to post your videos, be consistent. And my recommendation is to post at least 1 video every week. It keeps you relevant to the YouTube algorithms, and it also helps you to build a subscriber base, because when you post 1 video and people like it, they obviously look forward to the next video. And in my case, for instance, I was posting 3 videos every single week without fail. You don't have to go through that. Get what works for you and run with it, but just make sure that you are consistent, and that if you tell yourself I'm going to post once a week, make sure you post it once a week. And if you're looking for accountability, you can let your viewers know that every time I'll be posting a new video every Tuesday or every Thursday. So it really depends on you. If you think external accountability will help you in consistency, then please go for it. Otherwise, you can just use your own personal self-discipline. Lengthy videos. And what I mean by lengthy video is by posting the number 3 strategy that I used to get my first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time on YouTube is by posting videos of at least 10 minutes. This is related to number 2 strategy above, because YouTube makes money through advertisements. It makes money by keeping people on the platform for as long as is possible. And therefore, the longer your video is, the higher your chances of hitting your 4,000 hours watch time in a shorter period of time. And this works especially if you're fortunate that maybe your video goes viral, or if your audiences just fall in love with this particular video. Other than the fact that it increases your chances of getting to the 4,000 hour mark, in the event that you get monetized and then this video starts going viral, you have the advantage of making more money on advertising from this video that is at least 10 minutes long. This is because when you have a video that is at least 10 minutes long, Google allows you to insert advertisement inside the video. So they call them like to have videos in between, to have advertisements in between your videos. But if your video is less than 10 minutes long, you can only have advertisements at the beginning and I think at the end. But it just disadvantages you if your video is less than 10 minutes long when you eventually get monetized, because you cannot put as many adverts on a video that is less than 10 minutes long compared to a video that is more than 10 minutes long. The number 4 strategy that I used to get to my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 hours watch time over the 365-day period is that I posted videos on topics that I loved, I was interested in, and that I was already familiar with. And this helped me when it comes to content creation, and it helped me when it came to consistency. So in my case, for instance, I'm already a travel, I love to travel, and then I also started learning violin around the time that I started my YouTube channel, and also learning Kenyan Sign Language. So at the very beginning when I started my YouTube channel, I used to post content around travel, around learning to play the violin as an adult, and about Kenyan Sign Language. So just by virtue of these being topics that I was interested in, I was familiar with, and that I could get content on and around, I never ran out of content ideas at any point in time. And that's what you want to do. To get to your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, you need to shoot videos around topics that you could speak about like for eternity. You don't want to start speaking about content that you're likely to run out of ideas about. So the focus here, to get your first 1,000 subscribers, make sure that you shoot content about things you're familiar about, things that are already happening in your life, so that you always have new content to talk about. The number 6 strategy that you can use to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 hours watch time is to focus on the YouTube journey, to focus on the process and not just the end. So in my case, for instance, I told myself, if God forbid I didn't make it to the 1,000 subscriber base or the 4,000 hour mark for whatever reason, I'm still going to use this as a learning process. So even if I don't get to my target destination of 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 hours watch time, at least I will have emerged on the other end as a more confident person in front of the camera. I would have improved my speaking skills. I would have improved my video editing skills. So I decided to take advantage of this journey and not just focus on the end destination of 1,000 subscribers and getting monetized on YouTube. And I think this is a strategy that you can take for yourself, whereby you shift the focus from the goal and also enjoy the journey, so that in the unfortunate event you don't get to that destination, you still have enjoyed the process. And I didn't know I would enjoy recording videos this much, and just coming up with the script and creating the content is something that I never knew I would enjoy, but I'm so glad that I really enjoy doing it. So even if I wouldn't have gotten to my 1,000 subscribers, I would still be content in the learning that I have gained as a result of this process. The number 7 strategy that I used to get my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 hours watch time, and I think can help you in your journey towards your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, is by taking up a long-term strategy mindset. So unlike other ways of making money online, such as starting an Etsy business or getting into freelance writing where you get paid like immediately, when it comes to YouTube, by taking the approach of this being a long-term way to make money online, it helped to calm down the nerves and also helped me to build my patience as I went on my journey to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And by taking a similar approach, it would help you in terms of not giving up on the process. I already understood how the Google and the YouTube algorithms work. It normally takes between 6 to 8 months for an article, for instance, to start ranking on Google, unless you're very, very, very lucky and you publish something that goes viral almost immediately. Usually it takes between 6 and 8 months to start ranking on Google. As I already had this background information, when I came onto YouTube, I came on the platform with the same approach, that this is going to be a long-term strategy. This is a long-term mindset that I'm coming with here. It's not a get rich quick scheme that I'm getting into, and it really helped me to stay patient and trust the process until when I eventually got monetized thereafter. And I think by taking this long-term growth mindset in your head, it helps you to focus more on the process than on the end that you have no control over. The number 9 strategy to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and your first 4,000 hours watch time over a 365 period is by cross marketing. So one thing that I did is that I was fortunate. By the time I was getting onto YouTube, I already had my Facebook page for my website. I already had an Instagram account, and I was already on different WhatsApp groups. So what I used to do, every time I shot a new video and posted it on YouTube, I would cross market against my different platforms. So I would post on my Instagram and tell my followers there that, hey, there's a new video, you might want to check it out. I would post on my personal Facebook account. I would post on the Ivam Tali Facebook page, and I would post also on the different WhatsApp groups. I would tell my friends and my family that, hey, you want to check out this video. And then something else that I used to do is that every time I got in contact with people that I was comfortable with, I would let them know that I have a YouTube channel. And I didn't just focus on people who are here in Kenya. Even while I was traveling, I would always tell people that I have a YouTube channel. And when they asked me like, what do you do? That's what I used to tell them, I'm a YouTuber. And most of them would be excited to watch my YouTube videos, and that really helped me. So don't be shy to let your acquaintances know that you actually have a YouTube channel. The number 10 strategy that I used to get my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and 4,000 hours watch time is by constantly reviewing my YouTube analytics. So one thing about the YouTube platform is that there's a platform that is available to content creators that is called the YouTube Studio. The YouTube Studio enables you to check your YouTube analytics in terms of how your YouTube channel is performing. For example, it will let you know how many new subscribers did you get in the last 1 week, in the last 1 day, in the last 1 month, in your entire lifetime. It lets you know what is your current watch time. It lets you know which are your best performing videos. It lets you know where are most of your subscribers coming from, where are most of your viewers coming from, which topics brought people onto your YouTube channel. Like, it's very, very rich platform. And I would take advantage of the analytics and see how to design my YouTube strategy. So in terms of topics, which topics were getting me the most viewers, which regions were most of my viewers coming from, and all this kind of information. And I would take advantage of it and use it as I developed my next video. So you want to take advantage of your YouTube analytics page and take advantage of the information that is there for your own benefit as you shoot your YouTube videos. If you keep questioning yourself like, am I really able to start a YouTube channel? Do I have what it takes? Yes, you have what it takes. We all start from somewhere. And I will tell you, today's video is going to be better than yesterday's video. So the more you keep posting, the more you keep shooting videos, the better you become. And you do not need fancy equipment to start a YouTube channel. Start with what you have. Start where you are. I started with a very simple smartphone, but it did the job. So just start with what you have, and as you progress, as you move on, then as your pocket allows, then you can transition to other, like a DSLR camera, or even a higher end smartphone that does the job better. But you just have to start. And one of my mantras that really kept me going is that progress is better than perfection. You can't wait for the day that you are the best in front of the camera. Just do it today and post it, and the more you do it, the more you're going to learn. And I know like my videos are not yet where I want them to be, but I know at least this year's videos are so much better than last year's videos. Well, that's it in terms of the tips and strategies that I used to get my first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube and my first 4,000 hours on the channel. Let me know what you think about this video. Did you like it? If you like it, please hit the subscribe button below. Once you have hit the subscribe button, remember to hit the notification bell so that when I shoot the next video, you will be the first one to know about it. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I'll look forward to meeting you on the next video. Bye bye.